Good morning, dear students. Now let us see when Tina didn't change herself, though due to her negligence only, her grandfather fell sick. Now see, everyone thought she would now realize the dire consequences of putting things off, but Tina didn't change. So we have read up to this that she didn't change herself. Tina's parents, grandparents, and even her teacher kept asking her to do things on time. Or Tina के parents, grandparents, even her teachers, they were keep on asking to do her things on time. Remember, dear, time that passes never comes back, said her father. तो उसके पिताजी उसको क्या बोलते थे कि हमेशा याद रखो कि एक बार गया टाइम वापस नहीं आता. टाइम दैट पासिस नेवर कम्स बैक. यू मस्ट डू थिंग्स ऑन टाइम, फॉर टाइम एंड टाइड कैन नॉट बी कंट्रोल्ड बाय एनीवन. उसके दादाजी क्या कहते थे? सेड हर ग्रैंडफादर कि टाइम एंड टाइड वेट फॉर नन, सो डू योर वर्क ऑन टाइम. Oh Tina, when will you submit your project on time? Said her teacher after asking her to give in work on volcanoes. So whenever she was giving her work late, her teachers asked her that when she will start to give her or submit her work on time. Even her friends got tired of telling her to mend her ways. यहाँ तक कि उसकी फ्रेंड्स भी उसको कहते थे कि you should improve your behavior and you should give your work on time. One day, Tina's teacher had some news for her. एक दिन उसकी टीचर के पास टीना के लिए कोई न्यूज़ थी. There was a drawing competition at the district level. The winner at the district level would be sent to the state level. The winner at the state level would be sent to the national level, and the final winner would be sent abroad at the government's expense for a month. तो ये क्या था कि it was a drawing competition and it was on the district level, and winner is to be sent to the state level and next to the national level, and finally he or she would be sent to the international level and to the abroad on the expenses of the government. But see what happened to Tina. The international competition was scheduled to be held at Toronto. Toronto is in Canada. The international competition was scheduled to be held at Toronto. It was a golden opportunity indeed. Tina was so creative and so good at drawing that the teacher felt certain that she could be the winner. तो ये कंपटीशन जो है वो टोरंटो में होना था, एंड टोरंटो इज़ अ सिटी इन कनाडा, और इट वाज गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर टीना ऑल्सो. एंड टीचर्स वर थिंकिंग that Tina was so creative and so good and she can surely win the prize. The topic was the most unforgettable scene of your life, and the last date of submission was 30th October. और टॉपिक था the most unforgettable scene of your life. जिंदगी का एक unforgettable scene, एक ऐसा दृश्य जो आपको हमेशा याद रहे. And the last date of submission was 30th October, और last date थी 30th October. Tina always loved drawing. You can see that she was doing drawing, and she decided to do her best to win the prize. और टीना को शुरू से ही ड्राइंग पसंद थी और उसने क्या डिसाइड किया that she will do her best and win the prize. She discussed her ideas with her parents and her teacher and got all the material necessary to begin her drawing. तो उसने अपने आइडियाज़ अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ शेयर किए, अपने टीचर्स के साथ शेयर किए, और जो भी नेसेसरी मटेरियल था वो सब कुछ लेकर आई ड्राइंग के लिए. हैव यू स्टार्टेड योर ड्राइंग? टीना asked her teacher almost every day. It's only the 27th. I will start today, ma'am, said Tina with a sweet smile. I will surely finish it by 30th October. तो उसकी जो टीचर थी, almost she daily asked her that whether she has finished her drawing or started her drawing or not, and she always answered that, ma'am, I will start it today. It was the 27th only, and she said that the last date is on 30th October and I will surely finish it by the 30th of October. It was 30th October and Tina was still putting the finishing touches to her drawing. अब 30th October आ चुकी थी. It was the day of 30th October, and what Tina was doing? As usually, she was again late and she was still putting the finishing touches to her drawing. It was 6:30 in the evening and she had not finished yet. ये अभी शाम का समय हो चुका था. It was 6:30 now. It was too late and still she was doing her drawing and it was not yet completed. Finally at 9:30 p.m. it was done and looked incredible. Incredible means extraordinary. It was realistic picture. Realistic means lifelike. तो उसने 9 बजे तक ये ड्राइंग जो है फाइनली कंप्लीट की और इट वुड लुक्स वेरी एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डनरी एंड लुक्स लाइक लाइफ लाइक मीन्स ये बहुत ही जैसे जीवंत हो, बिल्कुल रियलिस्टिक पिक्चर उसने बनाई थी. देन सी व्हाट हैपन नेक्स्ट. Of Tina as a KG student receiving the first prize from the principal. ये ड्राइंग था क्या था कि इसमें KG स्टूडेंट जो है she was getting prize from the principal. She had drawn not only the stage but also the audience. और टीना ने इतनी सुंदर ड्राइंग बनाई थी कि उसमें स्टेज के साथ साथ उसने ऑडियंस को भी दिखाया था. वन कुड ईजिली लोकेट हर पेरेंट्स एंड ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स इन द ऑडियंस. और ड्राइंग में इजीली किसी के भी पेरेंट्स और ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स तक को लोकेट किया जा सकता था. इट वॉज सो नीट एंड clean and lifelike drawing. The drawing was sent only the next day, but it was not accepted as the due date of submission was over. So we have read that the last date was 30th of October, and when they sent the drawing for the competition, it was rejected. Why? Why it happens? Because the due date of submission was over. So Tina, who had pinned her hopes on representing her country, was bitterly disappointed. I wish I had finished it on time, she said again and again. So now what happened to her? She was inconsolable. उसने अपनी सारी होप्स इस ड्राइंग पे रखी थी that she will represent her country in a very good way, in a very better manner. But extremely she was disappointed now because her drawing was rejected. It was not accepted by the authorities. I wish I had finished it on time, she said again and again. How I wish I had not put off the start of the drawing. अब वो बार बार रो रही थी और एक ही बात कह रही थी that how she put off means how she postponed her drawing, that she was inconsolable and wept bitterly, and she was very felt heartbroken and she was crying a lot. She now decided that she would never put off for tomorrow what must be done today. So now she decided that she will never put off the things on tomorrow which can be done today only. तो वो आज का काम कभी भी कल पर नहीं छोड़ेगी. She learned this lesson from this incidents. She had learnt her lesson, but it was really a bitter one. So already it was too late, and it was bitter also that she has lose her competition, and she lost her competition. Now she learned the lesson that delaying the things is very bad. Now Tina is always the first to submit her project. लेकिन अब क्या चेंज आया कि टीना जो थी हमेशा she was the first to submit her project. अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को सबमिट करने में हमेशा फर्स्ट रहती थी, and no one either at home or at school has to remind her. about what she has to do. और अब घर और स्कूल में कभी भी उसको याद नहीं दिलवाना पड़ता था कि what she has to do. If she had learnt her lesson earlier, she would have had wonderful time at Toronto. तो अगर उसने ये सबक पहले ही सीख लिया होता तो मे बी शी वॉज enjoying her time at Toronto. Wouldn't she? Perhaps she may get another chance to show her talent off to the world. Let's hope she does. तो हम आस करते हैं कि शायद उसको वर्ल्ड को शी शुड गेट हर चांस टू शो हर टैलेंट टू द वर्ल्ड. लेट्स होप फॉर हर. And students, with this chapter you should also learn that we should do our things on time only, be punctual, and never delay or never postpone your things on tomorrow, which you can do today itself. Okay, so be careful toward your study also. Never delay your homework, never delay your lessons, and listen the videos and the work sent by to your teachers very carefully. This lesson is for you also. Have a blessed day. Thank you. God bless you.